Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your saved drafts on Twitter. It's super quick and easy. First, open the Twitter app on your phone, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. If you've ever started writing a tweet but didn't post it, Twitter automatically saves it as a draft. To save a draft, tap the blue plus icon at the bottom right to compose a tweet. Type something, maybe just "Hi," or even attach a GIF. If you decide not to post it, tap Cancel, then choose Save Draft. When you're ready to check your drafts, tap the blue plus icon again. At the top right, you'll see Drafts. Tap on that, and you'll find all your saved tweets. From here, you can either open a draft to keep working on it or delete it. If you want to delete a draft, just tap Edit, select the one you don't need, and hit Delete. You can remove drafts one by one or clear them all at once. One important thing to remember, if you uninstall Twitter, all your drafts will be lost, so be careful. Hope this tutorial helped. If it did, like and subscribe, it really supports me. See you in the next one!